access Insight Cloud on insight.netgear.com. Click on the Login button and enter your credentials to log into your dashboard. Here, we're using an Insight Pro account that gives us access to multiple organizations that could be from multiple customers. Let's use the organization Brillante Tech for this example. Brillante has 3 locations. We'll be using Brillante Milan for this configuration. As soon as we enter the location, Insight gives us a dashboard with a general overview of the health of the system. On the left, under Wireless Settings, we will be able to add a new SSID. On the top right menu, click on the plus symbol to add a new SSID. We will call this NICE Internet of Things. This SSID will be broadcast with all the frequency bands that are available, and we will set a customer profile using the NICE profile that has been developed in partnership with NETGEAR. You can choose the security settings. In this case, we'll set it for an open, so the device will not need a password to access this SSID. Scroll down and press Save. Voila! In a few seconds, your customer profile for the NICE devices is now set and will be broadcasting on both 2.4 and 5 GHz within that space. Done, all the parameters needed for the best performance of the NICE devices are now configured in a click.